So right now we on our way to the disclosed location. What's good? It's your boy.
I'm Rico.
I'm Vant. King Vant in the flesh.
You're bro.
It's like nah. So today it's a little bit dark. It's probably what, like 7:05?
It's probably like 8.
7:50. No, it's not 8.
It's 7:30.
It's 7:30. I apologize for getting this video out late. It's been like months since we've been posting because we really haven't nothing to come up with, but we got something new. I told you we was gonna do a lot to this car. Today we have a new exhaust set up for the white Charger. You got a name for your car? We can call her no name.
Not yet.
Not yet?
I said not yet.
Oh, I was gonna say not. I like that. All right. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. It's the car name. All right. So we have an exhaust clip / comparison. So as you heard, of course, if you watch TikTok or my Instagram, my exhaust is clearly, I got something done to it. I know that. I know the Hummer. And then this car, I obviously got something done to it too. So we gonna give y'all comparisons. I mean, why I put it in the title of the video? I'm gonna let y'all guess first. I might not put it in the title of the video, but I'm gonna let y'all guess first on what type of exhaust this is, then what type of exhaust this is. Y'all might know mine, but y'all might not know his. So you can go ahead and start it, sir. You don't have to rev it, just start it. So we're gonna do start up. It's a warm start. We just drove a little bit. So it's warm start, we're gonna rev it, and then we're gonna do the same thing for my car. And then we're gonna do flybys too. Just little flybys in the parking lot. Come closer, I don't even hear it. You can hear it. Go. As you can hear, you got a little, you got the alright, you turn it off. I turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off since it's being late.
He just watched me walk all the way over here. He could have told me to stay over here.
Alright, I'm gonna let y'all hear this one. I guess get close to it, Drew.
That shit right, yeah.
Bro, this looks so gay. I ain't gonna kept. But I'm tall as so I gotta hold this shit like this.
His dubs is a little lower. Your dubs is a little lower.
Yeah, was it? As you can hear, it's two different exhausts. So,
That thing's mean. I like the color.
so we changed it. Usually it's red and green, like orange. We changed the color. So, you want to tell them about what you got done to your car?
Let's don't use it.
Right.
Nah, I want to see what y'all think I got done to it. And
So
then
you gonna tell them?
No. And then after I see at least a couple of, you know what I mean, what people think. Then,
Alright.
then I'll say.
We gonna
Then
say,
I'll-
can you
then
at least
I'll
give
tell.
them a hint?
What you mean?
Like, what type of brand? Something, just a hint of the exhaust. You can't.
No, I mean I got a full master, but I mean,
Well,
and then
tell what's done
Alright,
to it.
I got a mid muffler delete. That's where the flow master's at, and then I got that bitch straight pipe.
Alright, so with mine, I think we got the same setup. I think it's the same. I'm not sure, but we both got mid muffler delete and straight pipe, straight back. Alright,
Straight to the boy.
yeah.
Straight to the boy.
So you wanna rev it? And mind you, these are V6s. I know they probably sound trash or whatever, but they sound good to us and good to some people. We get compliments 24/7. So
Yeah,
get out the
let's rock
comment.
with our little trash can.
Yeah.
4? I think like 4.
Like 2.
It's like 4K we can rev it to, but it ain't nothing crazy. But give it a couple revs.
Hot ass air.
Got a little crackle. Do it again. Little crackle. Alright. Here, you want to start mine?
This shit was like,
And then this one is mine. It might, I think, in my opinion, mine sound Terrible compared to it. Shake once. Go ahead, rev it. It's there. It's there. Give it one more. Alright, you can kill it. Alright, in the comments, which one sound better? Y'all most likely gonna say his. But I don't know. Mine sound yours is more higher pitch. Like it's more noticeable. Mine is more settled, but when you step on it, you will hear it. His is like, oh, you know he's there all the time. That's exactly how to explain his exhaust. All right.
Big challenge.
You want to do a flyby? Flyby right here. The drive by.
I mean, we got different spots.
So right now we on our way to the disclosed location that we was talking about. If we get back on the highway, y'all get a little pulls in the car. I just want to say, I just want to put this out here. I don't know if this is every V6. Me and my friend got both V6s, right? Apparently mine is faster than his, and we got the same done to it. All I have is what he don't have, and I have the taser. You have to buy that. I think I forget where to buy that at. It's like a taser to unlock, because I have paddle shifters in mine. Mine don't come with paddle shifters. I installed them, so I can use my paddle shifters and stuff. We're not going on the highway. We might go on the back way, but I mean, y'all still can get a pull, because it's like clear. It's a light flow of traffic. It ain't that bad. But apparently my V6 is faster. I can do a comparison. We have another friend where we might be on the highway now. We both have V6s, but he has a newer model than ours. So he has like a 20, like I think it's like his is like 2019 maybe. We can do a comparison, see if my V6 is faster than his. If so, then it's something about this car that I don't know about. Cause I bought this car stock. It was like a company car. So it might have work done to it. I don't know, but it seemed like it's kind of work done to it. I can tell you that I can keep up with a stage. I think it was like stage 2 tune WRX, like a 2015 up WRX. I can keep up with them with no problem. We going straight. All right, so I'm gonna let them back up a little. I'm gonna give y'all a little baby pull. That's a little pull for y'all. See if I can get y'all another one. This is second gear. Traction control off. Nah, I don't like that one. It's a red light. I don't like that pool. That pool was kind of doo-doo. I think I was going too fast. That's why. But yeah, we on our way. I think what, it's like 2 or 3 more lights. All right, well, we'll get back to y'all once we in that location. Get ready to hear the white Charger. Here it comes. I ain't gonna hold you. That kind of sounded good in the tunnel. It sounds amazing in the tunnel. I'm gonna do mine next. We're gonna wait till him come over here till he park up so he can walk over here so he can hear. Here he is right now. There he is. Sound good to me, but all right.
I need to hear my baby come back.